Top 3 benefits of shower head water filters. Remove harmful chemicals. There are still many chemicals in urban water even though it has been purified in the water supplying plants. The rust in the transmission water pipelines, residual chemicals from the water plants, byproducts produced by chlorine reacting with other chemicals, and more, all of them can complicate the chemical content in water. As these chemicals do no good to our health, it is necessary to purify the tap water on our own. Improve respiratory illnesses. Some studies say, people are more likely to take in chlorine and chloramine through breathing compared with drinking. Chlorine is irritating to our airway, causing cough, asthma, headache, fatigue and other symptoms. Equipping the shower head with a filter can decrease the chlorine level dramatically not only in the water but also in the air. Improve skin and hair. Chlorine in the water can irritate acne, take away natural moisturizing oil on our skin and hair, and damage the growth of probiotics on the surface of our skin. As a result, chlorine causes dry skin and hair loss. A shower head filter can be the game changer. It can capture about 99.99% of chlorine and thus ensure the health of our skin and hair.